You stare at your phone. The screen stays completely dark. You sent that message hours ago. 3 simple words, maybe an emoji. It feels harmless on paper, but your chest gets heavy fast. What do I say now? Was that too needy? Or just boring? Why does it always fade right now? You feel the shift instantly. Her replies turn cold and short. You watch the distance grow wider. She didn't leave because you failed. That's the lie you tell yourself. She pulled back because your energy shifted. You became the pursuer instead of the anchor. You're not crazy for feeling confused. Most guys feel exactly this right now. Nobody explains why it happens. You will learn exactly how to reset the dynamic without chasing or pleading. You'll walk away with a clear blueprint. Let's get into it. Most guys believe that losing interest is a logic problem you fix by explaining yourself, texting more, or trying harder to prove your value. But the real truth is, she senses a shift in your emotional gravity long before she stops replying. Her nervous system tracks your baseline instantly. She feels a wall go up when your calm turns into pressure. Her gut tells her something feels heavy. That's when attraction dies quietly. You think your words control the room. Your presence actually dictates her emotional response. Not loud confidence, not fake confidence, not flexing at the gym confidence, but quiet, grounded, I know who I am confidence. That's the frequency her instincts crave. You don't win her back by chasing harder. You rebuild the frame by anchoring yourself. Here's the part nobody talks about. Her emotional pull isn't triggered by what you say next. It's triggered by what you become in the silence. You stop performing and start breathing. That shift makes all the difference. The next 7 moves will lock this into your daily mindset. The silence reset. Most guys panic when her replies slow down. They flood the void with anxious double texts and sudden enthusiasm. You feel the urge to fix it fast. Her subconscious tracks your baseline instead of your words. She senses the pressure before your message even lands. Her gut whispers, "He's waiting on me to stay." That urgency flips curiosity into resistance. The average guy types, "Hey, is everything okay?" You just set the phone down completely. You step back into your own daily rhythm, and here's what changes everything. Silence isn't punishment. It is the soil where missing you actually grows. She feels safe enough to wonder about you. That's emotional caffeine for her brain. The energy anchor. Most guys chase with loud performance tactics. They turn extra agreeable or hyper available overnight without warning. You try to prove you're fun enough. Her emotional radar tracks stability instead of enthusiasm. When you perform, she feels the strain immediately. Her instincts whisper, "He's trying too hard to stay relevant." Conversation isn't a sales pitch you deliver. It's a mirror reflecting your internal state right now. The old you would type, "I'll do whatever you want." You just reply, "Thursday evening works for me." You hold your schedule without apologizing. But here's what changes everything. Grounded men never audition for attention. They simply exist in their own quiet truth. She feels a magnetic pull toward your steady calm. That's when she starts replaying the conversation in her head. The frame shift. Most guys hand over the emotional steering wheel. They ask what she wants instead of sharing their own momentum. You wait for her to lead every time. Her intuition reads passivity as a lack of direction. When you drift, she feels untethered and restless. Her gut says, "He needs me to validate his plans." Direction creates emotional gravity instantly. You don't control the room with force. You guide it with quiet intention instead. The average guy asks, "Want to hang out sometime?" You text, "Checking out that rooftop spot Friday. Come through." You leave the door open without begging. And here's the thing. Movement creates natural pull every single time. She feels secure stepping into your established rhythm. That's the upgrade that turns hesitation into real investment. The detachment drill. Most guys attach their self-worth to her screen time. They track timestamps, read into punctuation, and spiral fast. You treat her attention like daily oxygen. Her energy shifts when she senses you keeping score. She feels suffocated by your hidden expectations daily. Her nervous system wants freedom, not constant audits. You aren't broken for caring about her. You're just playing a losing game right now. The typical man stares at the glass, wondering why she left him hanging. You close the app completely. You focus on your next genuine goal instead. But here's what changes everything. Detachment isn't coldness. It is self-respect moving through your daily habits. She feels light when your mood stops depending on her phone. That's the shift that turns interest into quiet obsession. The presence protocol. Most guys treat conversations like job interviews. They prepare scripts, plan perfect topics, and rehearse responses. You show up as a mental checklist. Her instincts reject the polished performance immediately. She feels the gap between your words and your vibe. Her gut says, "He's talking at me, not with me." Connection lives in the quiet space between lines. You don't need perfect answers to connect. You just need real attention in the moment. The average guy monologues about work or fires rapid questions. You pause. You let the silence breathe between words. You listen to the tone beneath her actual sentences. And here's the thing. Real attraction feeds on unforced moments constantly. She feels genuinely seen when you stop trying so hard. That's when the dynamic becomes effortless and magnetic. The boundary bridge. Most guys confuse flexibility with personal weakness. They cancel plans, drop hobbies, and say yes constantly. You trade your identity for her temporary comfort. Her emotional compass spins when she sees you abandon standards. She feels uneasy because your foundation keeps shaking. Her instincts crave a man with solid edges. You don't need rigidity to command respect. The typical guy cancels his gym night to wait around. You reply, "Training tonight. Catch you tomorrow." You honor your routine first without apology. But here's what changes everything. Boundaries aren't walls keeping people out. They're the skeleton of self-respect holding you up. She feels safe leaning in because you don't bend. That's the upgrade that turns casual interest into genuine pull. The identity loop. Most guys think attraction is something you trigger externally. They study tactics, memorize routines, and treat dating like a puzzle. You chase results instead of becoming the source. Her nervous system detects the gap instantly. She feels the difference between need and enjoyment. Her gut whispers, "I could leave, but I don't want to." You stop hunting for validation from strangers. The average guy practices pickup lines in front of mirrors. You build a life that excites you regardless. And here's the part nobody talks about. This isn't a trick. It's who you're becoming through daily practice. She feels drawn to the gravity of your genuine momentum. That's when she starts chasing your energy back naturally. This isn't about memorizing a list of tactics to deploy. It's about becoming the kind of man who never needs a script to feel steady. You stop performing for approval and start standing in your own truth. That's when everything around you shifts naturally. The man who knows he's enough never chases the spark. Stop chasing the spark. Become the flame. If you want to master how to hold her attention the moment you first meet her, watch this next breakdown where I reveal the exact 3-second window that decides if she sees you as a friend or something more.